Hello students. Last day I gave you the solutions for some problems. Some of you have already written those problems. It is not a problem. Whenever I give the answers, solutions for the questions, you must check them with your answers whether those answers are correct or not. If they are correct, you need not to write them again. Okay. And I'm giving these answers mainly because of the students who are unable to find the answers themselves. Those who have written these answers, okay, well and good. Now one more thing, I'm not giving the solutions for all the questions given in the exercise. Some of the questions I do skip. What you have to do, you must practice them. If you have any doubt, you can't find the answers, you can't find the solutions for those questions, you send a word to me. You know my WhatsApp number, you just ask me, I'll clear it through coming videos. Now let us check the fourth answer. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of 5 by minus 5 by 14. That means 2 by 11 multiplied by reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. What is the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14? You know that reciprocal, when you write the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, symbol will be given as it is. 5 by 14, its reciprocal is 14 by 5. Now it is very simple, we can multiply minus 2 multiplied by 14 divided by 11 multiplied by 5. Minus 2 14s are 28, 5 11s are 55. This is the answer. It's very simple, isn't it? Yes. Let us find next one. Evaluate 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 after rearrangement using commutative property or associative property. Here we can say associative property. We will be rearranging the numbers accordingly with the same denominator. That is, we can write 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 5. Let us write another number with another rational number with the same denominator. Here we have, let us write that minus 2 by 5. Now plus 7 by 3. What is remaining? This one, minus 2 by 3. Okay. Let's put them in bracket. Equal to 3 minus 2, 1 by 5. 7 minus 2, 5. That means plus 5 by 3. Don't cut this, okay, because it is addition. LCM of 5 and 3, 15. That means it is equal to, let us give common denominator 15 now. You know, 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 5 multiplied by 5, 25 plus 25. It is equal to 28 by 15. Okay. Now we can write it in mixed fraction. How will you convert 28 by 15? 15 1 is 15, remainder 13. So 113 by 15. 113 by 15 is the answer. These two solutions also you can note down. You can note down in your classwork book. Let us solve these two problems now. Subtract minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. Minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. That means it should be written first. Minus 4 by 7 minus subtraction. We have to subtract minus 7. That you have to write like this. It is equal to minus 4 by 7. What is minus into minus? Plus 7. Okay. Now you know the 7 can be written as 7 by 1. What will be our LCM? 7, because for 7 and 1 we can have LCM 7. It is equal to, let us write common denominator 7. You know minus 4 will be as it is. Why? We have already 7 here. 1 should be multiplied by 7. This plus symbol we will give like this. 1 should be multiplied by 7. Why? Our denominator is 7. That means LCM is 7. So 1 into 7, 7. So 7 also should be multiplied by 7, 49. It is equal to 49 minus 4, 45 by 7. 45 by 7 means 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. 3 by 7 is the final answer. Now, minus 4 by 7 plus 7. Other than doing like this, we can simply multiply this way. If just think that this not there. 7 7s are 49. 49 minus 4, 45 by 7. Like that also you can write. Okay. So now next. What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 to get minus 3 by 2? Whenever we get these type of problems, what we can do? Instead of these rational numbers, you think any number of your choice. That means, let us rearrange the question in this way. What number should be added to 5 to get 8? You know, very simply, 5 should be added to 3 to get 8. How will you get 3 from these two numbers? 8 minus 5. Isn't it? 8 minus 5 is 3. Same way, subtract this from this. Do you understand? Yes, so we will do like that. Therefore, the required number, what should be done? Minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 8. It is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus into minus plus 5 by 8. Let's do here. What will be LCM of 2 and 8? You know that 8 is bigger and it is a multiple of 2, so that 8 can be the LCM. 2 should be multiplied by 4 to get 8. Minus 3 also should be multiplied by 4. How much it is? Minus 12 plus 5 equals minus 12 plus 5. 12 minus 5, 7. Larger number is 12. Its symbol is minus. Minus 7 by 8. So what should be added? Minus 7 by 8 should be added to minus 5 by 8. So that you will get minus 3 by 2. So you can note down these answers, these two solutions also. And in between I did not do some problems. You can practice them yourself. It is not compulsory that all the problems are to be written in the classwork book. Okay. So we will learn next. That means we will be learning the remaining solutions on the coming days. Thank you.